Hey guys, what is up? I hope you are well. I wanted to record something on meme coins today, seeing as they're all the rage lately. I don't know if you heard the news of someone who basically bought $8,000 worth of Shiba Inu last year, and today is a billionaire because of it. So that's just going around on Twitter and social media everywhere. So I think there is a mad rush now of people coming into the crypto space that are basically just buying meme coins. So I thought, well, hey, this is actually a movement. So I'm not going to be missing out on this. So today I bought my first meme coin. I bought some Flockyenu. Actually, I had owned Dogecoin before, but I sold it for profit in the past. But now that I can see this is just like the beginning of things, because this was listed on Coinbase, not this one, but Shiba Inu was listed on Coinbase, that I think we actually are still early to this. So I went and bought some Flocky today, and I wanted to show you guys how to actually go about buying these coins or any coin that you want. Is really simple. You basically just go to coinmarketcap.com, and then on the search bar you type in the coin that you're looking for, or you can even just look for like the trending coins at the moment, recently added or ranking. Um, that's how I went about finding a couple of coins today, but I was looking for Flocky, and then how you go about buying it. You can do it two different ways. You can either go to their website, which basically always has how to buy on there, and then you click on buy on Pancake Swap, which is really good because I use that exchange, and then Pancake Swap will pop up. In this case, I don't think I'm going to be loading it in this video, so I'll just show you how to go about it. So Pancake Swap will open up, and then you have to connect your wallet, and basically once your wallet is connected, the token should just appear by itself here, and then you just click to accept it, okay, once you're logged in. So you have to excuse me, this is going a bit slow. And then it should just show up here. And if it doesn't, another way you can go about buying it is to paste the address. So the address is also found here on CoinMarketCap under contracts, and then you click on copy address, and then you basically go and copy it and paste it here. And it should pop up. However, I don't know why it's not right now working for me. I'm sure it will work for you, but usually it will say, yes, token found, and then you can add it that way, because I have added several coins that way myself. I did a video on how I bought Fina and other tokens that I added. So that is how I actually add them in the past. Okay, so this is not saying I'm logged in. So seeing as I'm recording, I won't log in, but that is how you go about doing it. It is that simple, guys. So what I like about Flockyenu, right, even though it is a meme coin, there's actually a lot more to it. It is actually birthed by fans and members of the Shiba Inu community, right, which is a good start, and inspired by the Doge father, Elon Musk's very own Shiba Inu. It is the only crypto project officially partnered with the Doge father's brother, Kimball Musk's Million Gardens movement, with whom we are working together to tackle food insecurity in the world, which is just so awesome that they're doing something humanitarian, which is another reason why I thought I'll throw some money in it, because it sounds good. Not only that, it's doing that as well. And also what basically made me go, yes, I'm going to buy some, is that it has an NFT gaming metaverse known as Valhalla, NFT merchandise marketplace known as Flocky Places, and a content education platform. So, and it's ambitious. It aims to be the top 10 crypto project and plans to start the next crypto revolution. So they're being ambitious. They're backed by someone great. Um, and, you know, there's a whole other side to it. It's not just a meme coin. So to me, I feel that this is actually a very good coin to buy. But yeah, this is not financial advice, by the way, disclaimer. So yeah, these are all the places you can buy it. I ended up buying mine on gate.io, so because I already had some funds on there, so I thought I would buy some, seeing as I already did. So yeah, there you go. That is Flockyenu, and you can see, yeah, it's been pumping. Let's look at the 3-month. Uh, let's look at the year to date, actually. Whoa, that is huge. That is huge. Wow, that just started pumping like 2 days ago. Crazy. Okay, so I mean, it's not even at 1 cent. Still has a fair way to go if they're aiming for $1. So this is actually still early, guys. And another thing I heard was that they have been advertising all over London on their buses and trains. So yeah. So that's Flockyenu. And I also found another one, Doggy Coin, the father of Shibainu. What was his name? Let me see. I just found it today by doing a search. So recently added. No, I was looking for trending coins and it showed up under trending. So let's have a look. Ranking. Maybe I'll look under ranking. Ranking is another good one because you can see what like the biggest gainers are. So you don't actually just buy straight into the ones that have had the biggest gains straight away. You need to do your chart check first and see, because the last thing you want to do is buy right at the top. However, with these moon coins, they're all mooning. So I guess it's hard to know where the top is at the moment. It's really like, it's not your usual technical analysis to enter one of these coins I've found. So let's have a look. Okay, I found the trending tab, and what I found today was basically also a doggy meme coin, Ryoshi token. Now, I just want to say a disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I'm just perusing this website and looking around and seeing what was trending, and this was trending earlier today. And you know, gosh, anything related to Shiba Inu, wow, is just going nuts at the moment. And this is another one that's related to that. This appears as Shiba Inu's father, appropriating his philosophy and solving problems faced by his son, such as high Ethereum network fees and large amount of circulating supply. The true Doge killer solves the infinite coinage problem of Dogecoin by implementing a deflationary system to establish itself as the biggest meme currency on the BSC. So, I mean, that does sound good. And the fact that they're decreasing the supply and ensuring fair distribution, and also, you know, they're ambitious, they want it to reach $1, would be another reason to enter this. However, it is on the BSC network, and that is known for having a lot of poo coins on it, or if I'm to say the correct terminology, shit coins. So yeah, I just don't know. On BSC, you are taking a punt. However, this does look pretty good. So who knows? I mean, don't ever invest more than you can afford to lose. Like, you know, yeah. I mean, $100, if that's nothing to you, then yeah, that's what I'm doing. So yeah. So I got a bit of this and I got a bit of the other one today, and wow, you know, it's crazy percentages, just crazy, so crazy. This one doesn't have, it just hasn't listed the market cap yet, which is why I haven't put as much in this one, because I want to know what it is at the moment. Although the trading volume is very high. But yeah, fully diluted market cap. Yeah, that's 50 million. No, what is that? Yeah, so this is like nowhere near the fully diluted market cap at the moment. Usually the trading volume isn't, but it would be good to know the market cap for this. But yeah, far out. There's just, it's just crazy. So, oh, that's no good. Maybe that's because my computer's a bit slow. But anyhow, this is just to show you how easy it is to buy any coin that you want. As always, please do your own research. This is not financial advice. And yeah, good luck. I'll put some links below so that you guys can get bonuses for signing up to any brokers or wallets from me. And please hit like and subscribe. I'll endeavor to post, new, good, informative things all the time. Cheers. Thanks for listening.